सेवा में स्वयं को खो देना. As student leaders, you are here to serve your peers, not for personal gain, but for the betterment of the school community.
Strength and a sense of unity. Together, let us wish for a day filled with kindness, understanding, and the courage to overcome any challenges we may face.
I request everyone to join and stand up for the prayer.
One whom the world can trust. Help us respect our neighbor's rights and never be unjust. Help us to be worthy of the flag we bear. And help us as real leaders to be proud of the uniform we wear. Help us to be clean, dear Lord, in thought, word, and deed. And help us follow the law. That is the leader's creed. Amen.
It is now time to introduce our office bearers. Each of these students has demonstrated remarkable dedication, leadership, and a commitment to our school's community. Their roles are vital as they will be guiding their peers and supporting the school's vision throughout the year. Let us begin with the announcement of our office bearers. As I call out each position, I invite the respective students to step forward to receive their sash and badge.
Vice Head Boy.
Savira Tripathi, Vice Head Girl.
Srinidhi Singh, Junior Head Girl.
Shivan Shah, Junior Head Boy.
Do hereby solemnly promise to undertake to the best of my ability the responsibilities and duties of Aster Public School for the scholastic year 24-25. I shall be an ideal in discipline, honesty, and integrity. I shall respect all the rules and regulations and abide by the school motto, explore, expand, and excel. Office bearers of Aster Public School pledge to fulfill our duties with sincerity and dedication. We'll uphold the values and traditions of our school, leading by example, and working together in harmony. We promise to serve our school community with integrity, respect and responsibility, always striving to contribute to growth and success of our school.
A school is a building with 4 walls, but with a tomorrow inside. A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for entrusting me with this important responsibility. I'm extremely honored and humbled to stand before you as the newly appointed head boy of our school. I accept this new role and feel the sense of utmost pride. You all have been instrumental in shaping my personality in the last 4 years of my journey here. And I must admit that your belief in me will encourage me to bring out the best of me. To my fellow students and dear friends, that is all the experience. A big thanks to you for voting for me. And I believe the fact that together we can achieve the best for the school. Today, as I stand at this platform, tomorrow one of you would carry the baton of the school head boy, and hence wish you all the best. As a head boy, I will be delighted to collaborate and partnership with you to uphold the values of our school and work towards creating a positive and inclusive environment for all. Thank you once again for this privilege and the unconditional support. I look forward to the year ahead and to make a meaningful contribution to it. Thank you.
I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you all today as the newly elected head girl of our school. This moment fills me with immense gratitude and a profound sense of responsibility. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and the school administration for entrusting me with a significant role. To our esteemed teachers, thank you for your support, encouragement and unwavering guidance. Your mentorship has not only shaped my academic achievements but has also shaped my character and values. To my fellow students, thank you for electing me. I look forward to continue working together with each and every one of you. In conclusion, I would like to say that this is a great opportunity for me and I look forward to working together with all to uphold our school values and traditions. Once again, thank you for your support and trust.
Well, dear children, I think it's a very, very special day for you. And I think the God will also bless you. We'll have showers of blessings from top. You are sitting on this podium, on the dais, means there's something special. Your teachers have entrusted you with some responsibility. And with post comes a lot of responsibility on us. Being compassionate to your peers and the staff workers, as well as give with due respect to your parents and to your teachers, which is something very, very important, dear children. That's something very, very important in our lives, is to give due respect to our teachers and parents. And I hope you'll live by the values, you'll have the curiosity within you, and you'll excel in your life. I wish all of you the best.
A big thanks from the Integrity House to each one of you. And as we bring this memorable investiture ceremony to a close, I would really like to extend my grateful gratitude to all of you. Your presence here is greatly appreciated. I'm really grateful especially to our Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am for the throughout guidance and support for making this ceremony a success. Me and Khushbu Ma'am and music teachers, sports department, art department, I'm so sorry, like in case if I'm missing by mistake any one of yours name by taking on the stage. It's rightly said, क्या दो तुम्हें गुरु दक्षिणा, मन ही मन ये सोचूं, चुका ना सकूं कर्ज तुम्हारा, जीवन सारा दे दूं. a small learning for you all, that whenever you lead, make sure take your team always along with you. It's rightly said, great leaders are not defined by the absence of weakness, but rather by the presence of clear strengths. Thus, at the end, a leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, "We did it ourselves." Thank you so much once again. Thank you.